Diabetes is a chronic condition affecting how your body processes blood sugar. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease where the body attacks insulin-producing cells, requiring lifelong insulin injections. Type 2 diabetes, much more common, develops when your body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough. While genetics play a role, lifestyle significantly impacts both types. Diet is crucial in managing both. For type 1, it helps maintain stable blood sugar levels alongside insulin therapy. For type 2, a balanced diet can prevent or delay complications by improving insulin sensitivity and weight management. Choosing whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, while limiting processed foods and sugary drinks, is essential for effective blood sugar control. The Power Plate method is a simple yet effective visual guide for balanced meals. Imagine your plate divided into 3 sections. Half the plate should be filled with non-starchy vegetables, think leafy greens, broccoli, peppers, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber without significantly impacting blood sugar. 1/4 of the plate should be dedicated to lean protein, such as grilled chicken, fish, beans, or tofu, crucial for satiety and muscle maintenance. The remaining quarter is reserved for healthy carbohydrates, like a small portion of brown rice, quinoa, or sweet potato, offering sustained energy. This method ensures portion control and a balanced intake of macronutrients, contributing to stable blood sugar levels and overall well-being. It's a practical tool for managing diabetes and promoting healthy eating habits. Fiber, the indigestible part of plant-based foods, plays a vital role in managing blood sugar. It slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sharp spikes and crashes. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Excellent sources of fiber include whole grains like oats and brown rice, providing sustained energy. Fruits and vegetables are also packed with fiber. Berries, apples, broccoli, and leafy greens are great choices. Aim to incorporate a variety of fiber-rich foods into your diet for optimal blood sugar control. Increased fiber intake also aids in digestion, promoting regularity and overall gut health, further contributing to better health outcomes. Lean protein sources are essential for managing blood sugar and maintaining a healthy weight. Unlike carbohydrates, protein doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood glucose. Instead, it helps stabilize blood sugar levels over time. This is because protein is digested and absorbed more slowly than carbohydrates. Furthermore, protein promotes satiety, meaning it keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating and subsequent blood sugar fluctuations. Excellent sources of lean protein include fish like salmon, chicken breast, turkey, and plant-based options like beans and lentils. Incorporating these into your diet helps to control appetite and maintain consistent energy levels throughout the day, contributing to effective diabetes management. Healthy fats, often overlooked, play a crucial role in diabetes management. Unlike unhealthy saturated and trans fats, healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more effectively. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and fiber, contributing to satiety and stable blood sugar. Nuts, like almonds and walnuts, offer healthy fats, fiber, and protein, providing sustained energy and preventing blood sugar crashes. Olive oil, a source of monounsaturated fat, can replace less healthy oils in cooking, contributing to better heart health and improved blood sugar control. Remember to consume these healthy fats in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. Bad carbs, like refined sugars and processed foods, are quickly digested, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar. Good carbs, on the other hand, are digested more slowly, resulting in a gradual and more stable rise in blood glucose. Focus on low-glycemic index, GI, carbohydrates, which cause a slower, less dramatic increase in blood sugar. Examples include whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Portion control is also crucial. Even good carbs should be consumed in moderation. Paying attention to serving sizes helps prevent blood sugar spikes and contributes to better overall diabetes management. Choosing complex carbohydrates over simple ones is a key strategy for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Staying adequately hydrated is often underestimated but plays a vital role in managing diabetes. Water helps your kidneys flush out excess glucose through urine, contributing to better blood sugar control. Dehydration can actually worsen blood sugar levels, making it harder for your body to regulate glucose effectively. Drinking enough water also aids in overall bodily functions, supporting healthy digestion, nutrient absorption, and energy levels. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after meals. While other beverages can contribute to hydration, limit sugary drinks as they can negatively impact blood sugar. Prioritizing water ensures optimal bodily functions and supports effective diabetes management. Managing diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing delicious food. This segment showcases simple, diabetes-friendly recipes that are both healthy and appealing. We'll demonstrate recipes focusing on balanced macronutrients and portion control. These recipes emphasize the use of whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of colorful vegetables to create meals that are both nutritious and satisfying. We'll highlight recipes that are easy to prepare, requiring minimal cooking time and readily available ingredients. The aim is to show that healthy eating can be delicious and achievable, making diabetes management easier and more enjoyable. These recipes are designed to help you incorporate the principles discussed throughout this video into your daily meals. Sustainable healthy eating is key to long-term diabetes management. Meal planning and preparation are crucial for success. Start by creating a weekly meal plan, incorporating the principles we've discussed: balanced meals with lean protein, healthy fats, and low GI carbohydrates. Prepare ingredients in advance, chopping vegetables, cooking grains, to save time and make healthy choices easier during busy days. Consider batch cooking larger portions of healthy meals to have leftovers readily available. Keep your pantry stocked with healthy staples like whole grains, beans, and canned fish. Planning ahead prevents impulsive unhealthy food choices and ensures you consistently eat nutritious meals, making healthy eating a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Managing diabetes effectively involves embracing a holistic, healthy lifestyle. Remember the key takeaways: prioritize fiber-rich foods, choose lean protein, incorporate healthy fats, make smart carbohydrate choices, stay well hydrated, and practice portion control. Meal planning and preparation are crucial for long-term success. This video provides general guidance, but it's essential to remember that everyone's needs are different. Consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to create a personalized diabetes management plan tailored to your individual health status, medical history, and preferences. They can provide specific recommendations and support to help you thrive with diabetes. Remember, you're not alone, and with the right approach, you can lead a healthy and fulfilling life.